to be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. You are most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. Today I am taking your models. In models, first of all, I am taking your must. Let's know there is no effect of the number of subject on any of the models. And here I am taking must. The formula of must, that is DOSA. We may call dosa, dosa. D for duty, O for obligation, S for suggestion, A for advice. And very easy to be unlearned or understood, dosa. And dosa is eaten, so this formula can also be actually digested. Again, D for duty, D for duty, O for obligation, S for suggestion, and A for advice. I am taking example. Duty means whatever we are doing, we must complete our work in time. We must do our duty properly. We must work hard to secure very good marks. Actually, I and we, then this is the matter of duty. If we say the second one, that is obligation. Whatever we have been given by others, we have to pay well in time to others. This process is called obligation. We must pay our debts. We must return the things which have been offered by others on return base. Must, actually there is strength, power in must. If anything is being disclosed with the use of must, it means that is to be done. This is obligation. And as for suggestion, you must not walk on wet ground. You must improve your writing. It means we are stressing using must. It is simply a suggestion. If the particular work is not done, there will not be much harm. And A for advice. Advice is strong. If the advice is not followed, then there will be a great loss, great harm. For example, you must not take liquor. You must work hard to get very good marks. Like this is advice, emphatic advice. So this is the formula DOSA, and with emphatic advice, D for duty, O for obligation, S for suggestion, and A for advice. This is to be understood, known by us. Along with this, I am taking your other models, auxiliaries, has to, have to, had to, and used to. Has to, there is actually use of has to with singular number. Now the number of subject will affect. If there is singular number, then there will be has to. If there is plural number, there will be have to. If the tense, that is past tense, will be had to. In past tense, there is used to. And I am taking has to. Has to, meaning of has to will be in sense ना है और पढ़ता है. For example, रमन को आज आगरा जाना है, तो रमन हैज़ टू गो टू आगरा टुडे। सीता को एक गाना गाना है, सीता हैज़ टू सिंग अ सॉन्ग। और गाना गाना पड़ता है। विथ प्लूरल नंबर वी हैव टू ब्रिंग हैव टू। वी हैव टू वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग। हमें प्रातः जल्दी जगना पड़ता है, हमें प्रातः जल्दी जगना है। वी हैव टू गो फॉर ए वॉक इन द मॉर्निंग। लाइक दिस इज यूज ऑफ हैव टू। एंड हैड टू, दैट इज पास्ट टेंस। आई हैड टू गो फॉर ए वॉक 1 week before, means the work that was done. Had to, माने जाना पड़ता था या जाना था, like this. Now there is use of used to. Used to means he used to spare 6 hours for study at home. वह स्टडी के लिए 6 घंटे दिया करता था, लाइक दिस। तो वी हैव टू यूज यूज्ड टू। एंड नाउ हैज टू, हैव टू, हैड टू एंड यूज्ड टू, दीज आर ऑल्सो टू बी नोट। देयर इज यूज ऑफ नीड। यू नीड नॉट वर्क हार्ड, यू नीड नॉट टेक। दिस इज यूज ऑफ नीड। आवश्यकता नहीं है। डेयर, हाउ यू डेयर स्टैंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी। तुम्हारी मेरे सामने खड़े होने की हिम्मत कैसे हुई। तो दीज आर द मॉडल्स विच आर टू बी अंडरस्टूड बाई अस। आई थिंक you have understood as I have explained, and listen this video many times so that you may get perfection and may learn. Thank you very much.